now moving to the next question here. So the second question is this, which is a good question here, bachcho, because I got this question as a doubt maybe a few months back. So see how I approach this. So what are we given first? First of all, let us write it. So 2 times fx whole square into f dash x is derivative, and this is equal to f of 2x plus 1 whole square into f dash of 2x plus 1 here. Okay, so that's what are we given. Then we are given several other values for all x. See, there should be a correction for all x belonging to R here. Okay, so that correction has to be there. Now we are given 2 more values, f of 1 minus 1 by 8, and we are given f of 6 here. Okay, so we are given f of minus 1 by 8 and f of 6 here. So see, if I treat it as a differential equation, okay, f of x as one function, f of 2x plus 1 as another function, g of x. Okay, so it is 2 times fx whole square f dash x is equal to g of x whole square into g dash x. Isn't that bachcho? So it will be g dash x. Okay, we have to take care of one thing, that here 2x plus 1 has to be replaced by t, so we have to take care of it while integrating. So I will say now integrating both the sides. So when we have to integrate, so isn't that 2 times fx whole square into d of fx, f dash x, and then integrating it. Similarly, it's g of x whole square into d of g of x. All of you agree? So see, my point was simple, that you can look at it as some other function. So integrating both the sides is the simplest possible way to get rid of derivative term here. So now I will replace this entire term by what we have here. So it's f of 2x plus 1 whole square d of f of 2x plus 1. Fair enough? Okay, so now we have, see, just integrate. So dt, t square, so it's 2 times t cube by 3 is equal to, again, z square dz, isn't that? So it will be z cube. So f of 2x plus 1 whole cube by 3, but since x is being multiplied by a constant, it will appear in the denominator, isn't that? So you will have 1 2 here, and this will be plus c. Let's say this is plus c. So I will bring this all the terms on one side. So it is 2 times, rather when I take LCM, so it will be 4 times f of x whole cube minus f of 2x plus 1 whole cube, and take 6, after taking LCM, take 6 to the right hand side. So I will be introducing one new constant, and that is a here. 6 times c is a. We have to find value of a, but how? So for that we are given 2 values, f of minus 1 by 8 and f of 6 here. So let's put x as minus 1 by 8. So put x is equal to minus 1 by 8 here, bachcho. Okay, so let's do it. So it is 4 times f of minus 1 by 8 whole cube minus, when you put substitute x by minus 1 by 8, what do we get? We get minus 1 by 4 plus 1, which is 3 by 4. So f of 3 by 4 whole cube, and this is a here. Now the point is that what are we given is minus 1 by 8, the value of function at minus 1 by 8 and its value at 6. We are not given the value of function at 3 by 4, so we have to get rid of 3 by 4. Okay, so then what I did, I just thought to substitute x by 3 by 4, the same relation. So we get 4 times f of 3 by 4 whole cube minus, when you put it here, so it's 3 by 2 plus 1, f of 5 by 2 whole cube, and that's again a. Now again, the problem is we got some other number like f of 5 by 2. Okay, so we got 3 by 4, that's okay, we can cancel it out, but then we got f of 5 by 2. So again, then at last I tried to put x as 5 by 2. And see, it's not like it was all deliberate. it was like, okay, we have to get f of 3 by 4, so I substituted x by 3 by 4. Then we need f of 5 by 2, so I just substituted x is equal to 5 by 2. What do we get here? So what we will get? So 4 times f of 5 by 2 whole cube. Put it here and we got it. Minus f of 6, and we are given this is equal to a. Now we have to add them in such a way that f of 3 by 4 and f of 5 by 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so what will I do? I will say, okay, let's see, we need 4 here, because when you add them, so I will multiply this entire term by 4. Isn't that? And when you add them, so 4 will get cancelled. Fine. So this gets 16, so that means I will multiply this entire term by 16. So now what? So when you do it, so what do we get? So it's 64 and add them. F of minus 1 by 8 whole cube. Okay. 16, 16, 4, 4, and then this is minus f of 6 whole cube. And what do we have in RHS? 16, 20, 21a. So we have is equal to 21a. Now we know that this is given to be 1, I think, yeah, and this is 2. So just put the values here. So therefore 64 minus 8 is 21a. So that means a is 64 minus 8 is how much? 56. So 56 by 21, so a is 8 by 3 here. Now just put x is equal to minus 1, because the value which we need is 2 over f of minus 1 whole square. So we need f of minus 1 actually. So put x is equal to minus 1 here. So just put x is equal to minus 1 here. What do we get? Just a minute. Yeah. So put x is equal to minus 1 here, bachcho. So we get here 4 times f of minus 1 whole cube minus f of minus 1 whole cube is equal to 8 by 3, and then we have it. Okay, so we get simply f of minus 1 whole cube is 8 by 9, so f of minus 1 is 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 by 3. That's it. So square it and then divide by 2, and we will get the answer here, bachcho. Okay, so I believe that should be the answer here. Okay, so that was the second question of the day, bachcho.